Hello guys, welcome back to another dating tip episode. So today I want to share a very important issue about dating, which is dating scams. And I'm going to share some real stories that happen to people around me. A couple weeks ago, I started getting complaints from ladies in my dating group and even from my own girlfriend saying that they encountered someone who either tried to sell them something after they match on dating apps or try to take their money after the scammer gained their trust over time. I was shocked after I heard their stories because I didn't encounter any of those when I was dating 4 years ago. And it looks like people are getting smarter or more shady on dating apps these days. So if you are using dating apps now, I want to share some real stories so you can learn from other people's story to stay alert when you are chatting with someone. If you don't know what exactly a dating scam is, according to Wikipedia, it is a scam involving faking romantic intentions toward a victim, gaining their affection, and then use that goodwill to commit fraud. One resource I found on the FTC website shows that people reported losing over 200 million to romance scams in 2019. This number was really shocking. If the 200 million was a reported number, imagine the total amount including the non-reported ones. It was a lot of money to lose for people who were just searching for love. The website shares a lot of informative tips about romance scammers. For example, the signs of a romance scam are: number 1, confesses love quickly, claims that they are overseas for business or military service. And number 2, asks for money and lures you off the website. And number 3, claims that they need money for emergency, including medical bills or flight tickets, and they claim that they want to come visit but they cannot due to an emergency. I know there are many different types of dating scams. If you're interested to learn more, I will include all the resources under this video for you to check it out. And today I want to share 3 dating scam stories that happen to people I know. If you're curious to learn more, all you need to do is just keep on watching. Dating scam number 1, a salesperson's pitch. One girl in my dating group was very frustrated because she just started using dating apps a couple months ago and she has encountered quite a few salespeople in her matches already. She said those matches were actually salespeople trying to get a lead from the platform, which was very annoying. They didn't wait too long after they started chatting, and then they asked her if she's interested in investing and trading Bitcoin. She said she usually just told them that she was not interested and then back away. In this scenario, these people disguise their identity on dating apps. Some people might share who they are in their profile, while some people might not. I know it might be annoying and uncomfortable when you encounter one because it's just like receiving a sales call in our real life. However, this is on the spectrum of a lower risk since they don't steal your money and then they do reveal their identity in the conversation. All you need to do is just turn around and go away. So next time when you encounter someone who pops the same question to you, you know what's going on. Dating scam number 2, a movie-like personal drama. Another girl in my dating group shared that a guy that she just met on dating apps told her a dramatic personal story after they chatted for 4 days. She said the story he shared was so dramatic and it sounded like a movie. She had a weird gut feeling, so she went online searching for dating scams, and then she found one of the stories was exactly what happened to her. And one of the types was about a person sharing a dramatic family or career related story. Later, after he or she gained the trust from the person that they are chatting with, they will ask for a money transfer to help them out. This is just one example, but it's very important that you stay clear-minded and stay alert when you're chatting with someone from the apps. No matter how friendly, how genuine they seem, they are still a stranger that you just met online. So don't let your guard down or buy into everything that people say to you just to be safe. If you hear anything dramatic and then get asked for money, or if you sense anything that's shady or weird, look it up online or talk to someone that you trust around you to get some ideas and get your mind straight. Sometimes people may have a real dramatic scenario or something dramatic that happened in the past, so you just need to pay attention to what they share and where it leads to. Maybe they just want to share a true story with you and that's it, so use your best sense of judgment. Dating scam number 3, a smooth scammer that knows how to gain your trust. The last type is the type I need everyone to pay attention on dating apps because it's trickier. One of my girlfriends shared her dating story with me last week because she knows that I'm doing dating videos. She met a guy on an app a while ago and they hit it off right away. She described the guy as pretty charming and knowledgeable. My girlfriend is a traveler, she's adventurous, independent, and she has a good career. This guy, let's call him Mr. Smooth Scammer, knows right away what type of girl my friend was, and he knew how to engage with her in a conversation. He straight up shared some travel stories he had, his life stories, and his career and all that to position himself as a well-traveled, smart, and interesting person. So they had a great chat and my friend had a really good impression about him. In the following days, they continued chatting and the guy was very caring with my friend. He showed that he's serious and he made my friend feel that she's important to him. She started trusting him more and more, and then later one day he started sharing his successful stories about his investing projects, and then he offered my friend to teach her if she's interested in learning more about investing. So fast forward to the end, my friend did start learning how to operate Bitcoin from him. The first time she put down some money and then she made some money back under his guidance. And then she input more money the second time. As she input some more money, she started questioning herself because she found it kind of weird that someone she met online ended up teaching her how to invest in Bitcoin. So she looked it up on Google and found one of the dating scams was exactly what happened to her. She told me that this type of scammer is very smooth and smart. They know how to engage in a conversation to gain your trust. They will chat with you for a while to gain mutual trust, and they will impress you by their well-told life stories or career experience. When the timing is right, they will start sharing some investing stories and they will invite you to do it together. My friend said that their formula is to help you make some money for the first time to boost your confidence, and as you input more and more money, you start losing some money and then eventually you cannot get out of it. It's just like gambling. When you lose money, you want to keep going to make the money back, and that's how you fall deeper into the trap. So next time when you meet your Prince Charming or Princess Charming on dating apps and then they try to talk you into doing some investment later, maybe that's a red flag for you to remind yourself. I hope you find today's stories helpful if you are currently dating, and I hope you won't encounter any of these in the future if you haven't already. If you want to share your story with me, feel free to leave me in a comment, or you can join my Facebook dating group to share with more people in a community. We all want to find the right match on dating apps, so it's unfortunate that some people start abusing this platform over the years. All we can do is stay alert and talk to people around us when we encounter a tricky situation. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's episode, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!